Hi everyone, welcome to Bhagat Food Techstars lecture series. Food science. You are going to learn about food science with us. Chapter 1, Introduction to Food Science. Some important definitions in food science. Food. Definition of food. Food is defined as anything solid or liquid which when swallowed, digested and assimilated nourishes the body. Next definition. Food science. Definition of food science. Food is a mixture of many different chemical components. The study of food science involves an understanding of the changes that occur in these components during preparation, whether natural or induced by handling procedures. Many physical and chemical reactions occur during food preparation. These reactions may be a result of the interaction between components with the medium of cooking and the environmental conditions like heat, cold, light and air to which they are subjected during cooking. Study of food science also includes understanding the nutritive value of different foods and methods of preserving them during cooking. This information provides a foundation of theory and method on which to build the study of food preparation. Next definition. Food additive. Definition of food additive. Food additive is defined as non-nutritive substances added intentionally to food, generally in small amounts to improve its appearance, flavor, texture or storage properties. Next definition. Fermented food. Definition of fermented food. Fermented food is produced by the action of bacteria or molds which act on carbohydrates and proteins present in foods and hydrolyze them to simpler products yielding pre-digested foods. Next definition. Food technology. Definition of food technology. Food technology is the application of principles of food science and engineering to the processing and preserving large quantities of food. Next definition. Food fortification. Definition of food fortification. Food fortification is defined as the process whereby nutrients are added to foods in relatively small quantities to maintain or improve the quality of the diet of a group, a community or a population according to WHO. Next definition. Biofortification. Definition of biofortification. Biofortification is the process of improving nutrient content in crops through breeding or genetic modification. Next definition. Food chemistry. Definition of food chemistry. Food chemistry is the discipline that is involved in investigating the composition, structure and properties of foodstuffs and their components. Next definition. Non-nutrients of foods. Definition of non-nutrients of foods. Non-nutrients of foods are organic compounds having no nutritional function. They may be toxins or beneficial substances like fiber or compounds that may improve palatability or pharmacological importance. Next definition. Functional food. Definition of functional food. Functional food provides health benefits beyond the nutrient contribution when they are eaten on a regular basis in adequate amounts. Functional food has positive effect on a person's health, physical performance or state of mind. Next definition. Phytochemicals. Definition of phytochemicals. Phytochemicals are non-nutrient components found in plant-derived food that have biological activity in the body. Next definition. Food safety and regulation. Definition of food safety and regulation. Food safety and regulation is related to food sanitation in public health and rules and regulations governing it. Next definition. Antioxidants. Definition of antioxidants. Antioxidants include compounds that protect biological systems against the potentially harmful effects of processes or reactions that can cause excessive oxidations according to USDA.